What's going on, Cindy?
Well, I have decided, I can't take credit for this because our friend Dale, what's his name, Ruskinall from
like
Texas, when he and Rebecca were here, he went to Lowe's one day and came back and he had this little brush. I'm like, what the heck is that? He goes, well, your walls are so irregular, why don't you just text them? Just dip it in the drywall mud and just texturize
There we
them.
go. They are texturized.
Wow, that's a great idea. And I didn't really know what he was talking about until, actually I was FaceTiming Barbara one time. She's lying down, I'm looking at the ceiling and I'm thinking, I bet that's what it is.
And you're working, you're taking a bath in your work. It's great.
Oh, I know.
That's how you know you're getting some work done.
This is so terrific. So I've just got a little bit more to do and then we'll paint it and it'll look fab.
Yeah.
Very creative. It's super easy and fast.
Yeah.
So